Hey everybody, Project 127 here. I'm here at Olentangy's lot, and here's a 128, one of their last two A3s. I don't know the year, I can't remember. We'll have to go look on the inside. It's got new skirts. Apparently it's staying next year. It's expected for next year. Let's see the year. It is 05. I'll walk through it. Yeah, I know they had quite a few of these, and most of them are gone, either gone to Mike and B's or scrapped. I know the last batch of them were in a bus derby. So yeah, this one, and at the other lot, 133. But yeah, this is 128, 2005 A3.